Good evening. Thank you.
How you been? Busy.
Well, busy, a little bit, but in a good way. Good way.
This design goes back to Mohenjo-daro, which is 5000 BC old. And this Ajrak print
Very
goes back to 5000.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you so much for
Thank
coming
you so
over.
much for coming and for having time for us and explaining all these.
This is a small shield which you will remember. You put it on your table when you came to Provincial Assembly of Sindh. Maybe you remember my face.
I'm certainly was. Thank you
Yeah.
very.
Like colorful Sindhi topi. This is called Sindhi topi.
Sindhi topi.
Because this is a Sindh province. So, well, this is fit, made to order like on your head. And this is your Ajrak.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming over. And it was a pleasure meeting you. Now,
Exactly.
so this is where the speaker sits, the secretary sits there, the additional secretary sits there. That's the governor's gallery.